Hey, Max, let's play hide and seek today.
Okay. Haha. In English, we say, let's play hide and seek. And in Urdu, we say, chalo chupam chupai khelte hain.
Okay, I will count first. You hide, Max.
In English, we say, I'll hide. And in Urdu, we say, main chupunga.
I'm going to cover my eyes. 1, 2, 3. And in Urdu, we say, ek, do, teen.
I am hiding. Haha.
I'm almost done counting, Max. You better hide good. Where are you, Max? तुम कहाँ हो, Max? I'm coming to find you. मैं तुमको लेने आ रही हूँ.
In English, we say, I'm hiding. And in Urdu, we say, main chup raha hoon.
I wonder where Max is. मैं सोच रही हूँ कि Max कहाँ पे है. I will check behind the curtain. मैं पर्दे के पीछे देखती हूँ. Aha! Found you. मिल गए, Max. I knew you were hiding here. मुझे पता था कि तुम यहाँ छुपे हुए हो.
Not fair. You found me too quickly.
In English, we say, I found you. And in Urdu, we say, मैंने तुम्हें ढूंढ लिया.
Okay, now it's my turn. I'll count. Mia, you hide.
All right, Max. I will hide really well.
In English, we say, I'll count. And in Urdu, we say, मैं गिनती करूँगा. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3.
I'm hiding. I won't make a sound.
5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10. Mia, where are you? I'm coming to find you.
In English, we say I'm hiding. And in Urdu, we say मैं छुप रही हूँ.
Haha. I know you are here somewhere, Mia. Haha, I found you, Mia.
Yeah, you found me. That was fun.
In English, we say, you found me. And in Urdu, we say, तुमने मुझे ढूंढ लिया.
That was a fun game of hide and seek. We learned some great phrases in both English and Urdu today. Keep playing and practicing these phrases with your friends. Thanks for watching.